Good morning, dear students. This is Shruti ma'am, Modern English School, New Area, Nawada. Today is Monday, so again, welcome back to our e-learning classes. Today we will discuss on lesson 3, that is A Little Girl, and written by Catherine Mansfield. What is there in this story? In this story, it is shown by the writer that the relationship, the realization between parents and children. Kezia, she is a little girl and she is very much scared, afraid of her father. There are in Kezia's family, there are 4 members having Kezia herself. Kezia's father, Kezia's mother, Kezia's grandmother, and Kezia herself. That in this story, the story is told by third person. That means that the writer is telling, narrating the story to the readers, to the listeners. In the very beginning, that the story is started in this way, that in the morning when father goes to his office, he comes and gives a casual kiss on Kezia's cheek and tells that goodbye, and Kezia also just tells that goodbye father, and that father is going to office means he is going by vehicle, and that is a carriage, and father is moving off means that the sound of the carriage will be fainter and fainter, and Kezia, when that the carriage is moving off towards the office and the sound is getting fainter and fainter, Kezia is getting a sort of relief. Means father means a very angry person that always shouts, always just becoming frown. So father goes to office means that a little bit relief. Again, in the evening when father returns back from office, then also again Kezia becomes scared. Means father entering this way, yes, my cup of tea is ready, send it on the table. Yes, where are the papers? The papers have come or not? Mother, father also means father entering room and just everybody becomes busy. And mother, where are my slippers? Then Kezia's mother would say, Kezia, my little girl, my dear baby, you are very good girl, you are very obedient. So go to your father and give him the cup of tea and put off his boots off this way. So naturally, for a little girl, these sorts of comments, these sorts of behaviors are not comfortable. Na? So that's why that father means that whenever father is there in home, that at home, that means that everybody is busy, everybody starts shouting, everybody becomes engaged with father. So what is this? So naturally, Kezia cannot understand what is going on, whatever. And Sundays means that when Kezia thinks that she will go to father, mother and will spend time, then what she says that father is stretching on the sofa and that a hanky is put on on his eyes, and he is sleeping and snoring, and mother is studying newspaper. So this is the picture of the Sunday afternoons, and when father will and Kezia from distance, she will look at her father and mother, and when father would wake up and he would ask, Kezia, what are you doing? Then this way. So means whenever Kezia is there in front of her father, she feels uncomfortable, she becomes frightened, she becomes scared, so she cannot speak properly also. Actually, Kezia doesn't have the habit to stammer, but when she becomes scared, she starts stammering, and then father tells that what happened, why you are looking so unhappy, why you are looking so scared. Then he will say to her mother, to his mother, that yes, mama, that teach Kezia to present herself in a good manner in front of others. What happened? Why that she is looking so unhappy, so depressed, that as if she is going to do suicide? So naturally, if father delivers this sort of utterings, this sort of words to his little child, what will what sort of feeling will raise in Kezia's heart? So naturally, Kezia was also don't have any. Kezia doesn't have any good opinion for her father. That one day when Kezia was caught by cold, so she was advised to be inside the room with her grandmother. And that time grandmother told that yes, your father's birthday is coming, so you should make some gift for him. Then Kezia thought that yes, then what she had done, she planned to make a cushion, and with two cotton velvet yellow sheet she had made with Kezia is a little girl, so it was not so much easy for Kezia to stitch the three sides, but Kezia has stitched three sides. And now what happened, that cover has been made, but it should be fluffy, it should be soft, something has to be filled, has to be put inside the cover. So Kezia was looking for something, some scrap clothes or papers or something to fill the this covered cushion. And so she was looking here and there. She went to her mother's bedroom, and there she found that some fine sheets, and she was very satisfied, and she tore the papers and she has filled the cushion cover cushion. And then on that day in the evening, there was an angry shouting, hue and cry. Hue and cry means angry shouting. What happened? Actually, father has made some speech on Port Authority, means some meetings. He has made some speech, and on the papers it was prepared, but those papers are missing. Those papers are not getting found. So all the servants were asked, and that the whole house, it was that everywhere it was searched for, but it was not found. Those papers were not found. So then mother asked Kezia, Kezia, my little girl, my good girl, have you seen any papers in my room? Then Kezia told, yes, I found, and I have torn all those things and I have filled my cushion cover. Then mother was very much angry, and then she told, oh, Acha, you had done this, so come down to your father. And she was just dragged to the drawing room to her father, and father was very angry, and she was having a ruler in his hand, and she told, yes, you have done all these things, so you should be punished, and you should learn that the things which are not belong to you, means the things which are not of yours, you should not touch all those things. Then Kezia was, no, Papa, no. She tried to convince him that she has she wanted to make a gift for her father. She wanted to surprise her, but all of you, obviously, you can understand that what Kezia was thinking and what father, mother, they were thinking. What was the difference? And Kezia was just very much scared, very much afraid. But father, he started beating on Kezia's soft pinkish palm, and that Kezia was naturally weeping, sobbing, and that in the evening grandma came, and grandma has clutched that hold Kezia in her lap. Then Kezia was sobbing, and then she asked, why the fathers are there? What is the use of the fathers? What is the meaning of that? Why Kezia is telling this? This fathers means always angry, always beating, always punishing. Then why that fathers, that in this world fathers should not be there? This was actually Kezia wanted to say. Then grandma just consoled her, patted her, and then told that okay, that she gave her hanky and told her that yes, you wipe your nose, blow your nose, and have a nice sleep, and in the morning you will forget everything. So these were the happenings, the incidents which were happening with Kezia. Next door, that Kezia, she found that McDonald's were there, that beside Kezia's, they were that neighbors of Kezia. And what Kezia has found, that Mr. McDonald, he was a very loving father. He was having 5 children and one was Mao, and the 2 children were there on his shoulder. 2 children were there that they were holding the hands of their father, and McDonald was playing the whole afternoon, evening. McDonald was playing nicely with his children. So, and from the fence that Kezia was looking eagerly, is how nice, how sweet their father is, but my father is not like this. So then Kezia came to the realization that there are 2 types of fathers. One is Kezia's father, that is very strict, very angry, shouting, and another type of father, that is McDonald, that is, he is very much loving, he is very much playful, he is very much enjoyable, very much nice to his children. So this story is a little bit lengthy, so 2 videos I am making. Today this is the first video, and tomorrow I will make another video, and this is this part that Kezia is totally that what were the incidents and what was happening inside Kezia's mind. And in this video totally that Kezia is having a very low opinion, a very not good opinion about her father, because there are some incidents also. But second video we will come to know that how gradually that Kezia came to the realization that her father is also a very good person, and she started loving her father. So up to here you learn this video, and the children that this is very much shocking, this is not good that you are not learning, you are not listening the videos, because the videos are sent from YouTube. So there are 5 sections, and in each section at least more or less 50 students are there. The 5 sections means there are 5 5s 250. But you are not listening, you are not visiting, you are not watching the videos, so that is not good for you. Okay, so you should watch video, and you should learn from the videos, and you are instructed to do your homeworks properly. And if you are having any problem, obviously I am over there. So thank you everybody, stay at home and stay safe.